Okay. Hello, my name is Alif Helmi. I will explain about the lab 9 MATLAB. Okay, the part A is MATLAB expression. We have to write an expression. Okay, just like this. And the first one you want to A is equal to exponent to the power of 2. Okay, this is what I got. Then B is exponent to the power of 3. Okay, after that the question is C is equal to ln E plus ln exponent to the power of 3. Okay, C is equal to log exponent plus log exponent 3. Okay, the answer is 4. If I calculate using the calculator, the answer is also 4. Okay, this is for part A. Okay, this is for the part A, MATLAB expression. This is the answer. The mathematical expression is like this, and then we have to type in the MATLAB like this for get the answer. Sorry. Okay, this is all the answer from part A. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, let's go for the part B. For part B, they want to calculate the hypotenuse of triangle. Okay, here the A3 is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. Okay, then we have to write the formula of hypotenuse. C is equal to square root A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer. The hypotenuse of the triangle is 5. Okay, let's go to the next part. The next part is part C. Part C, we have to calculate the average value of 3 numbers. The number given is 35. The second number is given is 21. The third number given is 13. Okay, then we have to write the formula. Which value is A plus B plus C divided by 3. Okay, this is the average value of the 3 number. Thank you. That's all from me.
My name is Hanif bin Jamaluddin, and I will be explaining questions and discussion. So for answer number 1, where does MATLAB display a listing of stored variables and associated attributes? The answer is stored in workspace. Second, describe the default MATLAB variable type. So for single, it is stored as 4-byte floating point values of data type class single, and for double, numeric variables are automatically stored as 64-byte double precision floating point values. For cell, they are commonly contain either lists of text combinations of text and numbers or numeric arrays of different sizes. Question number 3. What is the difference of command and function syntax in MATLAB? For command syntax, you separate inputs with spaces rather than commas, and do not enclose input arguments in parentheses. Comment syntax always passes inputs as character vectors. To use strings as inputs, use the function syntax. If a character vector contains a space, use the function syntax. And for function input is a variable. You must use function syntax to pass the value to the function. Comment syntax always passes inputs as character vectors and cannot pass variable values. For example, create a variable and call the display function with function syntax to pass the value of the variable. Next question. Write a program for a car price of 90,000 ringgit with the interest of 2.7% a year. What will be the total amount of interest you pay and your monthly installment payment for 7 years? So this is the full code for the question, and this is for MATLAB, the coding for MATLAB. So car price we set at 90,000, and for interest 2.7 divided by 100 we get 0.027, and total amount of interest 7 times 0.0270, which is the interest, times the price of the car, which is 90,000. So the total amount of interest is 1.701. And for the monthly installment, we do the calculation is car price plus total amount of interest, and the answer of this addition we divide with 7 times 12. So the rough value of monthly installment is 1.27. Okay, for question number 5. So first we set annual savings as 1.2k and set the dividend as 0.085. So it will be rounded up to 0.09. And for the year 2015, we take 10,000 which she invested, and plus the annual savings which is 1,200, plus dividend times 10,000. So this is the value she has invested in 2015. So for the next year 2016, we add the previous value in 2015, which is 12,050, plus the annual savings which is 1,200, plus dividend which is 0.09 times the previous value which is 12,050, and then we get 14,274 for the year 2016. So for the upcoming years, the method is just the same. We take the previous year value plus the annual savings plus the dividend times the value of the previous year, which is stated in every calculation I made. So for the final year, the amount of money she invested was 21,147 ringgit. So this is the coding for number 5, and this is the investment for 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. So the total investment she made was 22,147. Finally, for conclusion, MATLAB is an easy method to calculate or execute complex functions through the PC with a different approach. This software makes a software developer's job much easier with its built-in calculator. We can say that this software offers strong possibilities. The utilization is pretty easy for simple problems. For advanced problems, it is more complex. Questions involving functions can easily be calculated through this software without any hassle. That's all from me. Thank you.